Now we are going to discuss about the homogeneous differential equation. The homogeneous differential equation can expressed in the general form dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y. First, we can check it, is it homogeneous or not? For that, we can take f of kx comma ky is equal to k power 0 into f of xy. This is the condition of the homogeneous. Then dy by dx, in this, how to solve the homogeneous differential equation means dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y. It can be convert into pi of y by x function. Here, let y by x is equal to v. From this, y is equal to vx. Now, differentiating both sides with respect to x, then dy by dx is equal to, it is in the uv form. Why? Because v is expressed in y by x. So, v differentiation is v dash into 1 plus x into, v into x differentiation is 1 plus x into v differentiation is dv by dx. Here, the given equation is 1. Assumption is the equation 2. Equation 2, substitute in equation 1. Then the equation can convert into new variable, that is v variable. Dy by dx, in the place we write v plus x dv by dx is equal to pi of v. Simplification of this, x dv by dx is equal to pi of v minus v. Now we can use the variable separable method. Then we can separate the variables. That is dv by pi of v minus v equal to dx by x. Then you can follow the method of the variables and separable, integrate on both sides, you get the solution, some capital F of v equal to some log x plus c. Okay, here 1 by x means log x plus c. We can take c also log c. This is equal to log xc. Then v is again convert into the variable y by x, that is capital F of y by x. It's a capital F of v is the solution of integration dv by pi of v minus v. From these two terms, we get the solution. That solution is the required solution of given homogeneous differential equation. We can follow these steps, then we get the solution from the variable separable. Before of that, we can take the assumption y by x is equal to v. In some cases, we use the x by y is also v. But the variables are changed. In this, x is replaced with y. Okay, that depends on the given problem. And one more thing here, how to identify the homogeneous means this is the condition. Just in general, you check it, each and every term having the same degree of the variable. Same degree of the variable. Now I am going to discuss one problem, how to identify the homogeneous differential equation and how to solve that given equation. Okay, here the problem is solve x square plus y square into dx equal to 2xy dy. Observing of the equation only, I can say that it is a homogeneous differential equation. How it is? Just you observe x power degrees 2, y power degrees 2. This term 2xy means this is 1, this is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. In the given equation, each and every term having the same degree of the variables. Okay, here the homogeneous solution and checking of the homogeneous means first we can write the given equation in the form of dy by dx. So first write the x square plus y square into dx equal to 2xy dy. This dx is taking to other side, 2xy is taking to the other side. Just you can express in the form of dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square by 2xy. This is equal to function of x comma y. Now we can take function of x comma y in the place of x, write kx in the place of y, ky. It is equal to kx whole square plus ky whole square by 2 into kx into ky. It is equal to k square x square plus k square y square by 2 k into k square xy. In the numerator, taking common x square, k square, then remaining terms are x square plus y square by, in the denominator also k square, the remaining term is factor 2xy. K square cancel. This is exactly expressed in f of x comma y, here k power 0 form. Therefore, equation 1, what we are taking the given differential equation, let it be equation 1, then the equation 1 or given differential equation is exactly a homogeneous differential equation. Now, follow the homogeneous form. What is that? Take or let y by x is equal to v, y is equal to vx, differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Then y differentiation is dy by dx equal to v differentiation is dv by dx into x plus v, x differentiation is 1. Okay. In the equation 1, we can substitute equation 2. Equation 2 substitute in equation 1. So in the place of dy by dx, we write x dv by dx plus v equal to, in the place of y, write vx, x square plus vx whole square by 2x into vx. It is equal to x square plus v square x square by 2vx square. Okay. X dv by dx plus v equal to x square common in the numerator, then that is 1 plus v square by, in the denominator, 2x square v, x square cancel. Then x dv by dx equal to, this v is taking to right side, 1 plus v square by 2v minus v. Taking the LCM, 2v is the LCM, 1 plus v square minus v into 2v, that is 2v square. Then x dv by dx equal to 1 minus plus v square minus 2v square is minus v square by 2v. Here the right side terms are in the variable v. Now we use the variables separable method. Variables are separated or variable separable method. So 2v by 1 minus v square dv equal to dx by x. Now integrate on both sides. Integrate 2v by 1 minus v square dv equal to integral dx by x plus c. Here just you can take 1 minus v square equal to suppose t, then minus 2v dv equal to dt. That is nothing but this integration is integral minus dt by t. equal to log x plus, we can write c is also log c, that is our wish. Here minus 1 by t means that is minus log t equal to log cx. Here what is the t? 1 minus v square. Substitute minus log of 1 minus v square equal to log cx. Just to substitute in the place of 1 minus v square equal to t. Again substitute v equal to y by x minus log of 1 minus y square by x square equal to log cx. Taking the LCM, minus log of x square minus y square whole by x square equal to log cx. Write in the form of log a by b, that is minus log of x square minus y square minus log x square equal to log cx. Log of x square minus log of x square minus y square equal to log cx. Log of x square minus y square by x square equal to log cx. Log get cancelled. X square minus y square by x square equal to cx. X square minus y square equal to cx cube is the required solution of given equation. Given differential equation 1. This is the solution. And here one more thing, it is I wrote the clear way, but if you have an idea, log of a by b minus log of a by b can be written as here simply elimination of the minus log of b by a, x square minus y square equal to log cx, then immediately it will get cancelled. Okay. A by b. Here it comes the 1 by log cx, but it is no need. You do like this only, getting confusion. Here some mistake. Just think. Log a minus log b, that is log of x square by x square minus y square equal to log cx. Log get cancelled. X square equal to cx into x square minus y square. Here x cancel. X equal to c into x square minus y square is the solution of the required equation. Here I corrected from this. It can be written as log of x square by x square minus y square equal to log cx. Then immediately log get cancelled, x square. Directly we get this step. Okay, this is the solution.